Hey everybody, Shawn here, and today I wanted to take a look at a feature in Lightroom where you can use smart catalogs to organize your photos. Let's take a look. So we're going to go down here and we're going to open up our Lightroom. And you can see there's that picture of Buddy again, my pit bull. And over here on the left, we're in the library module. And over here on the left, we have collections. I talked about collections earlier. When how to sync photos from Lightroom to Lightroom Mobile on the iPad. Here is a different way we can use collections. We have a thing called Smart Collections. As you can see, there's already some populated in here to kind of give you an idea of what you can do with them. And then we're going to go through on how to make your own smart collection. I'll walk you through on a smart collection that I use, and this collection will add photos to it that do not have geolocated photos. I use the map module here to geolocate a lot of my photos. So this way, I can have this collection pull all the photos in that aren't geolocated. So when I have some downtime, I can go in there and quickly see how many photos aren't geolocated. And once I do locate them, it will actually dump them out of that catalog. So let's take a look at how we do that. So up here, we have the little plus sign. We're going to add a new catalog. We're going to create a smart collection. I think I've been saying catalog, and I'm talking about smart collections today. So we're going to go in there. I'm going to name it. I'm going to name this GPS No. And what that's going to be for is just to show me that the photos that do not have GPS on it. And here we have inside a collection set. This is going to be a smart collection, so I'm going to want to put it inside the smart collections just for organization reasons. And then down here are the different rules that you can apply to smart collections. So here, I want to apply a rule that is based on location and just having GPS data. So if GPS equals coordinates, and I want to see all the photos that don't have any coordinates. So what this is going to do is it's going to look for any photos that do not have any GPS data attached to it. And then I'm going to hit create. And you can see right here, it immediately put about 6,000 photos in there that I do not have current GPS data for it. So I can click on here, and now I'm in the folder with all those photos. So if I take a look here, I know where I took these photos. So these photos here were from a recent photogradog trip that we took to the local canyon. And so I'm going to geolocate those, and you'll kind of see where I was able to take these photos. So I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to select the first instance where these photos, these ones here were at my home. Come down to the trip the other day, started right in here. So I'm going to select that one. Let's see if there's any more up here. Oh, there's one more. Okay, so I'm going to start on that one. I'm going to take us all the way down to the bottom. And these were all from the same photogradog trip, so I'm just going to select that. I'm going to go to Map. I'm going to go into the Map module. And if you've never used the Map module, basically you can just pull photos from your film strip directly onto what is like a Google Earth image. And it will give you the rough coordinates to apply to those photos. So it's not going to show where every single photo is taken. I'm just kind of doing it a group of photos and generally where these photos were taken. And I live here in Trabuco Canyon, and so we were right around here, I believe, on a little hike. Yeah, I parked in around here, and we kind of just hiked through this creek here. So I'm just going to pull these up and just drop them right here in the creek. And it's going to take a moment. You can see up here in the upper left that it's setting the GPS coordinates for 4,000 photos, and those are the photos that we took this last weekend. Now, once those are done, this number down here, this 6,700, should drop to around 2,000 photos or so. This is going to take a little while, so I'm just going to do a quick edit, and we'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I've canceled the task. It's going to take a little while to do that, and I just wanted to kind of give you a taste of what you can do with smart collections. You can also see in here, one that's pretty neat is the 5-star smart collection, and it'll show you the photos that are in your catalog that contain 5 stars. So I use smart catalogs to help me kind of organize my photos. I'll create a smart catalog for my copyrighted photos, so I can quickly see which photos are copyrighted, which aren't. Then I can do an export on photos that aren't copyrighted, so I can make that deposit to the copyright office when needed. And there's all kinds of different ways that you can use smart collections. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any ideas for future videos or comments on using smart collections, please leave it down in the comments section below. And as always, please let me know if there's anything I can do to help you make better photos. Thanks.